Welcome back to NeuroVerse, decoding the signals of our digital future today. Artificial intelligence is transforming every aspect of our modern lives. Robots harness computing power, influencing industries and behaviors worldwide. Their expressive eyes connect them to our human emotions, bridging gaps. Let's explore how AI revolutionizes workplaces and changes the future. Drones flying high imply freedom and surveillance in equal measure. Integrated data flows are key to decision-making processes and insights. AI mimics human physiology by interpreting data flows in bodies. High-tech screens serve as windows into endless information possibilities. The concept of an AI brain defines the pinnacle of technology. Branching data flows signify interconnected networks and vast systems. Spherical data visualization represents the complex web of AI interactions. Matrix-like data flows encapsulate the dynamic nature of technology today. Creating the AI brain symbolizes the next leap in innovation. Video cards power the essential computations in neural networks. Cutting-edge video card production supports ever-increasing AI demands. Robots skillfully integrating processor boards showcase automation's growth. Video cards integrated into PCs are pivotal for data processing. Data flow inside video cards optimizes computational efficiency. Data protection remains paramount in the digital age of connectivity. Screens display data flow, illustrating complex interactions and processes. Digital padlocks represent the security measures within AI systems. Colliding data streams suggest dynamic and ever-evolving digital landscapes. Server rooms are the backbone of digital infrastructure in enterprises. Efficient server operations enable seamless data exchange and analytics. Video cards at work highlight the processing requirements of AI. The server room's data flow magnifies AI capabilities and processing power. Neuron-style data flows connect our biological understanding with AI advancements. Digital data flows through brains' established patterns and learning processes. Neural connections within brains provide insights into AI machine learning. Galaxy-style neural connections indicate vast potential in AI connectivity. Data-style neural connections simulate the intricate nature of thought. Innovative digital screens display AI systems interacting with global networks. Digital screens of the planet remind us of global interconnectedness. Stock exchange screens emphasize AI's influence on financial markets. AI-powered graphs forecast trends and enable informed decision-making. People thrive in high-tech environments fueled by AI advancements. Typing on high-tech keyboards represents seamless communication with technology. Digital screens transform with the touch, enhancing interaction and input. Robots write on digital interfaces, symbolizing AI's creative potential. By 2035, AI's evolution promises to revolutionize industries and societies. Robots will embody advanced cognitive capabilities beyond our imagination. Future robots could adapt through machine learning in real time. Technological ecosystems will become more interwoven with human experiences. Drone technology will expand into delivery services and urban planning. AI networks will enhance personalized medicine and individual healthcare solutions. Humans will interface more seamlessly with AI through augmented environments. Virtual reality will transform educational landscapes, offering immersive learning. Interconnected data systems will optimize energy consumption and efficiency. AI will advance global communication, transcending language and cultural barriers. Data-driven cities will emerge, powered by AI and smart infrastructures. Sustainable innovations will flourish with AI, reducing environmental impacts. AI governance will require ethical considerations and global cooperation. Breakthroughs in processing technology will set new standards for speed. AI's integration with quantum computing could unlock unprecedented computational power. Data protection will evolve, necessitating innovative cybersecurity solutions. The future will see richer human-AI collaboration in creative fields. Automated systems will take over routine tasks, enhancing productivity. Server rooms will adapt to burgeoning data demands and technological shifts. Through AI, businesses will achieve newfound efficiencies and capabilities. Advanced neural networks will mimic human creativity and artistic expression. AI will emerge as an integral part of global economic structures. Neural interfaces may enhance cognitive functions and sensory perceptions. AI evolution will redefine resource management and urban sustainability. Collaborative AI ecosystems will promote innovation across multiple sectors. People will navigate increasingly digitized worlds with AI as guides. Digital financial systems will thrive with AI-driven transaction processes. AI will unlock deeper environmental understandings through big data analysis. Education will shift, incorporating AI tools for personalized learning experiences. AI will lead us into new scientific frontiers and discoveries. The intersection of AI and society will continue to evolve meaningfully. Subscribe to NeuroVerse and click the bell icon to master the future. See you next time.